back or welcome to Katrina's Priceless Home Life and more. On my channel, I share home decor for every season and most holidays. Tablescapes, indoor and outdoor inspiration. And I throw down in my priceless kitchen. Cleaning motivation, budget shopping hauls, and so much more. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And a live stream the first Saturday of most months at 10 a.m. In today's video is a quick Dollar General cleaning supply haul. So you see what it is, you know what it is. Let's go through what I purchased. Looking for home decor inspiration? Well, check out my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box below, and it's open 24/7. As always, I thank you so much for watching today's video. And on your way out, don't forget to like this video. You know what that means. Give it a big thumbs up. And leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to grow. And if you're new here, of course you know I want you to stick and stay. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.